I don't even remember what to say. All right. Where's my script?
You do it for your job.
Do I? Take 10. What's up, guys? Glenn here, back on the Function Powersports YouTube today. We're back with another spotlight. I got my friend here, Adam, and we're going to talk about his 2018 Polaris RZR XP Turbo.
Hey, it's Adam. This is my 18 RZR Turbo. It's rolling on some BFG Goodwrench 30x10x14s, paired with a set of bead locks by STI HD9s with some splined lug nuts. Run the splined lug nuts because with aftermarket wheels, need them. Got a half windshield, seismic side mirrors. That's all tied together with the cage work cage with PRP harnesses. It's got ORB rock guards on. For suspension mods on this bad boy, we got Super ATV arched A-arms, chrome molly. It's set on a set of Walker Evans shocks that have been redone by Shock Therapy with their spring package with limit straps. In the rear, we got ORB tie rods with Super ATV trailing arms. For motor work, we got a Stage 6 aftermarket Assassin's kit. Tied into the cage, we also got extra brake lights that also work as blinkers, along with our S&P particle separator. In the rear suspension, we have a set of Walker Evans redone by Shock Therapy along with their sway bar. And as you can see, there's a ton done to this thing. Thanks for checking out my 18 Turbo.
Hey, Adam, I appreciate you coming on the YouTube channel today. This thing is sick. It is completely set up, and I've actually ripped the trails up in the UP with Adam. So, you know, that's what we got for you guys today on the Function Powersports YouTube channel. Make sure to click that button that says subscribe. Little box pops up right there. Hit the like down below. Let us know in the comments what you think. And, you know, enjoy checking this thing out. Peace.